Hello everyone, this is Vanita Vatul Gujran back with another video and welcome to my channel Dear Zindagi. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, whatever you feel like, okay, and stay connected. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for showering so much of love, care, and support to my channel and to me. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see how your coming week is going to be. So in today's weekly pick a card reading, I have already shuffled the cards. I have used 4 decks in this reading, and I have already selected the cards. Like, obviously I have shuffled and removed the cards as I do in front of camera. 3 piles. Okay, this is pile 1. Okay, these are the earrings, like my earring collection, and this is pile 2. And this one is for pile 3. So just close your eyes and ask your higher self or God, Goddess, archangels that which pile you're drawn to and how your coming week is going to be. Okay, so just close your eyes and just look at it and just feel that which pile you should choose. And for reference, if you wanna go throughout the video, you can see all the messages, all the guidance, and take it positively and responsibly. Okay, so let us start the video, guys. For the ones who have chosen this earring, this pile 1, let us see how your coming week is going to be. With you guys, I feel like a lot of healing is going to happen this coming week, because I can see more kind of green energy, okay, green light, and you people are kind of soft spoken, okay, in any situation you don't react, okay, it's like you think and you understand, and then then you give then you take action, okay, कुछ sudden नहीं होता, you think before you do something, okay, that is what I'm feeling. Okay, so let us start up with your tarot cards. 7 of Gabriel, lovely, that means 7 of Wands. Okay, so lots and lots of creativity coming your way, guys. Okay, let me just stand up for what you believe in, have confidence, claim your personal power. Okay, so guys, this coming week you have to use all your creativity, okay, make use of it, okay, and for some I'm also feeling that you might see some kind of rainbow, okay, or might be in some picture while scrolling your Instagram or Facebook or any of your online account, and I'm also feeling that there is something news that is gonna come, okay, some news, okay, regarding your career, okay, you might receive some news regarding your career, okay, and see, I'm also feeling that some might travel, okay, some might travel, okay, and some shift will happen, okay, not traveling does not just mean that physical traveling, okay, some shifts might happen in your life, in your schedule, or in your career plans or something like that, okay, a shift, I could see a shift, okay. Let's see the next card. 7 of Raphael. Okay, guys, okay, so time to make a decision, be clear on what you want and take action, a need for detoxification, okay. So as I told you that a news is gonna come, okay, so guys, make a decision, okay, stand still, make a decision. And I also told you that for this pile, in the coming week healing is going to take place, okay, and what I'm feeling is most probably emotional healing, Okay, so time to make a decision. Okay, so no matter what news is coming in front of you, make a firm decision. Okay, think before you as I told you, you have that personality that you don't react suddenly. Okay, you think before you do something. Okay, so always think before you do something, and make a decision. Like, before making a decision, make the pros and cons, and then just go through it and then make a decision. Okay, and I'm also getting that keep yourself hydrated, guys. Okay, in the coming week. Okay, and let us see the next card. Knight of Gabriel. Okay, so this week, okay, as this card was telling you that you have to make a firm decision in the coming week. Okay, a decision would be of importance. Yeah, so angels are confirming you that while making that confidence, they are there with you. Okay, behind your back, and it's like you will make that decision very confidently. Okay, and angels are assuring you that decision has the like has the angelic support. Okay, enthusiastic, courageous, charmistic. Time to take action, great passion for a cause, intensively knowing just what to do. See, okay, so here like guys, the overall week is going to be like very I'm also feeling that for some it will be kind of very busy. Okay, constantly you will be doing one or the other work, a shift. See, even horse, okay, like a shift is going to happen. Okay, like a movement. Okay, a movement, a shift. Okay, it can be in any kind. Okay, mentally, physically, emotionally, in career wise or in personal life. Okay, there is a kind of shift, but most probably I'm feeling that the shift is going to happen in career wise, and like might be physical also. Okay, might be physical also, but career wise there is traveling going to happen, a shift is going to happen. Okay, and angels are confirming that they have your back. Whatever decision you are making is a firm decision. Okay, and for that decision you have the angelic support. Okay, that's what the angels are confirming to me. And I'm also feeling there might be a person, like a female, okay, who would guide you. Okay, also that female can also be your inner feminine energy. Okay, she will guide you. Okay, regarding something, regarding the particular decision that you're gonna make. Listen to that decision. Okay, don't just blindly believe, but listen to that decision and take the decision, and go through it. Okay, go through it, just don't ignore. Okay, and let's see the next card. Leap of faith. Okay, you go first, the universe will catch you. Okay, as I told you in this card, you are gonna take, the angel has your back. The all your angels, all the divine energies. Okay, whoever you believe in and whoever are there with you, the light, your light being, your spirit guides, your angels, your guardian angels, archangels, your god, goddesses, all are supporting you. Okay, they are just telling you that have that leap of faith in them and make a certain action. Okay, put your foot first put your first foot forward. Okay, this is what I'm hearing. Put your first foot forward. Okay, take that action that is required in the current situation. Okay, but think before you do it, and just listen to someone's advice that they are giving to you. Okay, but have that leap of faith in the universe, guys. Okay, because somewhere I'm feeling that emotionally you're kind of drained, and not completely drained. Okay, I'm not getting completely drained, but slightly kind of disappointed or things like that. Okay, so emotionally you're kind of disappointed or drained. Okay, so angels are telling you that take certain actions that will heal you up. Okay, that will put you into right track. Okay, but take that action. Okay, take that leap of faith and just go and do it. Okay, play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Okay, so guys, you have been I also told you for some the week is going to be like really really busy. Okay, so angels are telling you that as the week is going to be so busy and come filled with work and decision making and all of such stuff. Okay, so angels are telling you that hey, take some time for yourself, because it is very important to relax yourself out. Okay, working is also very important, but at the same time, taking care of yourself, enjoying the movement, enjoying your own company is also important, is like very important, I would say. Okay, so have fun, guys. Whatever you have with you, enjoy with that thing. Okay, feel free, just open up yourself. Okay, just because of something, just because of so much of stress and work and the load that you have within yourself, don't squeeze your energy. Okay, just explore and expand. Okay, and just enjoy the life, because life is meant to enjoy. It's we human who make things complicated and so serious. Okay, so have a chill pill. Okay, goddess Isis. Okay, so she is telling you that the situation involves your past life memories. Okay, so guys, there are certain that there is certain thing that had happened and kind of disappointed you, or kind of led you into something shock moment. Okay, so angels are telling you that this moment, okay, whatever has happened, or else I told you that, like, there is a decision that is going to come, like a decision making. Okay, that will be of importance. Okay, so angels are telling you that this decision or the moment, okay, the coming week, it will be related with your past life. Okay, certain moments or memories, it might happen, like certain things might happen that you feel, you feel something connected, or you feel something, hey, this has already happened to me. I don't know, I'm feeling like कुछ अलग ही फील हो रहा है मुझे, ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये चीज़ पहले भी हुई है मेरे साथ, एंड the things are kind of repeating, ऐसा फील हो रहा है, Okay, so angels are telling you that you have to heal this. As I told you, healing is also taking place, and you have to heal your emotions. Okay, so this situation, okay, that involves your past time memories, okay, past life memories. So it's like you're facing those things again, those fears again, because you have to heal those emotions. Okay, you're facing it, you are kind of experiencing it once again, because you have to learn the lesson. Okay, because you have to be even more stronger, because like that energy of learning a lesson, okay, healing yourself. Okay, that is the thing what I'm getting with this card and goddess Isis. Okay, okay, for some, okay, you might also see some dreams, okay, regarding your past life. Okay, if you're seeing certain, you know anything. Okay, so have a check on your dreams. Okay, if you can make a journal and write it down, whatever you dreamt of. Okay, so just have a look on your dreams. Okay, because angels might give you some messages via your dreams. Okay, that will involve your past life issues, or solutions, or things like that. Goddess Yamanya. Okay, golden opportunity. Important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through them. Okay, so guys, for you, there are certain opportunities that is going to come out, as I told you, and it might be regarding your career, or also might be regarding your life. Okay, so there is a decision that you have to make, and you're also receiving lots of opportunities. Okay, in might be in terms of your career. Okay, you are receiving kind of lots and lots of opportunities to evolve yourself, to increase your creativity, to explore your creativity. Okay, so the divine is giving you lots and lots of opportunities, ideas. You can also receive the downpour of ideas via your dreams. Okay, Okay, so make use of it. Okay, if you have received an opportunity to do something, to heal yourself, to make a decision, to improve your life, go ahead and do that. Okay, don't just as see, you also got leap of faith, so have that leap of faith and take that particular action and move ahead with the opportunity that you have received. Okay. Children, know that your children are protected. Okay, so guys, as you also got past life. Okay, so whatever the week will be, okay, it might also include some your childhood memories as well. Like for some, you might recollect your childhood memories, or you would heal some childhood issues. Okay, so and angels also telling you that your children, and stop worrying about your children so much. Okay, because the angels are assuring that your children are absolutely protected in the divine light. Okay, they are surrounded by the divine light. Okay, and you need not worry much about your children. Okay, and I feel some whoever is watching this file, some of children, they are very much connected to animals. Okay, like whenever they see the animal, or they feel like they just want to touch them, and they just want to hug them. you know they just want to pamper those animals. Okay, so they are very very much connected to animals. Okay, and if they're really so connected to animals, don't just take them back. Let it be, let them love the animals, let the energy be. Okay, if you will separate them from this energy, their childhood might get affected in one or the other way. Okay, so don't separate them from the animal love they have. Okay. Archangel Gabriel, message of creativity and hope. I told you, creativity. You guys are creative, and also see, in this card also the children are. The Archangel Gabriel is connected to children. Okay, so some childhood memories or childhood issues will get sorted out or would get healed. Okay, so see, in some possibilities, there are some possibilities that angels are telling you to heal your childhood issues as well. Okay, and like it's a very strong message, guys, that your children are protected. Okay, you need not worry. And for some, I'm also getting that you guys are planning for a child. Okay, like you know the planning is going on. Okay, and the message of creativity and hope. Okay, so leap of faith, and you got also seven of Gabriel. Okay, like seven of wands, and you got two wand card. Okay, knight of wands, that is knight of Gabriel, and knight of Gabriel. Oh my god, so much of connection. See, Archangel Gabriel is also for some, I'm hearing that Archangel Gabriel is your guardian angels. Okay, so I don't know who wanted to like listen this or hear this. This is for you, that Archangel Gabriel is your guardian angel. This is the reason you feel so connected to children. This is the reason that you have so amazing communication skills. Okay. Lord Vamana. Okay, guys, so like you have some Vishnu connection, and Lord Yamana is avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay, receiving charity, residing resisting cheats and tricksters. Okay, being charitable in right spirit, ability to use trickery for a good cause. Okay, so this, as I told you, this file is kind of intellectual smart. As this file, in the beginning itself I told you, you guys don't react. like वो sudden reaction होता है ना, वो नहीं देते हो. You think before you say something, you think before acting, like taking an action, or कुछ करने से पहले आप सोचते हो. ठीक है, it's a very smart file, guys. You are very intellectually very high. Okay, and Lord Woman is also telling you that charity. Okay, you have to give charity. Okay, with whatever you earn, certain amount, you have to provide, like give the charity. Okay, start giving charity so that your remaining karmas, whatever it is, it get clears out. But I'm also feeling that, that if you are giving charity, uh, don't tell it to anyone. Okay, because charity is not something that you should share. Okay, so don't, if you're giving charity to someone, don't share it with everyone. Okay, see, if someone is handling your accounts, your finances, you should inform them. Okay, but other than those person, like those people, or that person, don't share it with everyone. Okay, so charity is of importance for you guys in the coming week. Okay, and if you guys have debt, you guys can do the charity on Tuesday. Okay, you guys are really smart. Okay, like a lot of smart energy. Okay, and yeah, let us see. Goddess Saraswati, I just love her. Goddess Saraswati. Okay, success in education. If you can see it, guys. Yeah, success in education, perfection of memory, enhanced intellectual ability, mastery of musical instrument. Oh God. As it, guys, see, I told you in the beginning itself that you guys are, kind of intellectual. Okay, I told it indirectly that you think before you do something. Okay, so Goddess Saraswati is also telling you that you guys have very good creativity. Okay, some might be musician in this pile. Okay, and some also might be lecturers or teachers. Okay, I'm also feeling that you have certain creativity, use those creativity. Okay, and for some, your intellectual ability is very high. Okay, you're very intelligent people, but may use that intelligence in for a better cause. Okay, also Lord Vamana was saying that see, he's very intellectual, and he used to use his intellectuality, his sharpness, in a better way. Okay, in a better way, for a good cause. Okay, so you have to do that. Okay, whatever the intelligence you have to create it, or blend it for a good cause. Okay, so your coming week is going to be of really, really importance, guys. Like, what I'm feeling like is, overall week will be of importance, because you have to make certain decisions. Healing would be going on in the coming week. Issues or things regarding children would be of importance, as they are absolutely protected. You need not worry at all. Okay, so have a lovely, and yeah, one more thing, have a chill pill. Okay, don't stress yourself regarding whatever the coming week is going to be. Take time for yourself, relax, and just meditate. As I always say, meditation is the best thing to do. Okay, in every situation, whatever situation you are in, just meditate and relax yourself. Okay, so bye bye, lovely souls. Meet you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, have a lovely week ahead. God bless you all. Hello, pile 2. Whoever has chosen this beautiful hearing. Okay, this I have kept for pile 2. And what I feel like, you guys are really lovable. Okay, it's like you have kind of a big heart, and you just love to spread love. Okay, so a lot of pink energy in this pile, like cute, fun loving. And I'm also feeling there are cute people in this pile, like kind of with chubby chicks, and kind of not that tall. Okay, not too short, not too tall, but kind of a middle height, and very pretty, like cute energy. Okay, like bubbly and cute people. Okay, so let us see how your coming week is going to be. The Chariot. Okay, Archangel Metatron. Determination and self-control, career advancement, acknowledgement of success by others. Okay, So, pile 2, you guys are ready, okay, for whatever things are coming ahead of you. You are ready for it, okay. And for some things regarding career, okay, like you guys are thinking to make a shift in your career, okay, like kind of change your job, or else turn into an entrepreneur, then like working in a corporate job and turning yourself into an entrepreneur, okay. So this is what I'm feeling for you guys, and you guys are ready for it, okay. But take a professional advice before you take a step. But what I'm feeling is that you're ready, okay. It's like you're ready to go it. I mean, so I'm so sorry. It's like you're ready to do it and you just need to go ahead, okay. So you have all the equipments that you need, you have all the direction, you have the guidance, okay. So just make that decision and go ahead, okay, because you're ready. The energy of this pile is really really cute, guys. I'm telling you, like fun loving people, okay. Like you guys kind of like ऐसा है ना कि तुम जहाँ पे जाते हो ना वहाँ का माहौल ही like बढ़िया बन जाता है, okay. So 9 of Raphael, okay. Make a wish, dreams become reality, a joyful time of life, okay. So guys, as I told you that you are ready, okay, and in the coming week you will be kind of happy and satisfied with whatever you have. As I told you, you guys are very fun loving, ज़्यादा stress नहीं लेते हो, you don't take much stress, but and you will be like just like, hey, chill, it's okay, it's okay for I'm sorry, it's okay if whatever has happened. And see, I just shook the camera and I was so excited because I'm feeling that energy, okay, like kind of excitement and fun loving, okay. So in the coming week you guys are going to be like very chilled and relaxed, and you will be kind of happy, like what to say, you guys will be happy with what you have, with all the achievements that you have made, okay. And for some, like you are your own genie, okay. You are your own genie. If you work with law of attraction a lot, okay, a lot, and whatever you feel, you dream, it will come true, okay, because you make it happen, okay, because you make it happen. You have that energy, that aura around you, that you make things happen for yourself, okay. 5 of Raphael. Everything happens for a reason. Release regrets and embrace the opportunities for happiness. Search for the silver lining, okay, guys. So in the coming week, okay, you might see what is this lady doing. Let me just explain. In this pile, sorry, not pile, in this card, what this lady is doing, she is focusing on the 2 gifts. She see, here are 3 gifts that are unwrapped, like suspense is revealed, happiness is like revealed, ho gaya, celebrate ho gaya. Now the still 2 gifts are remaining to unpack, and the suspense and the happiness is still on, okay. So here angels are telling you that focus here, okay. And I'm feeling that you're kind of people, you guys, see, if you have 5 gifts and 3 are kind of like you have opened it and you kind of don't like those gifts much, but you'll be kind of, hey, it's okay, it's 3 gift I don't like, but I still have 2, I can unwrap it, I can be happy. There is something good that I love, okay. So you might receive certain gifts, okay, in which you will in the coming week, guys, okay. What I'm feeling is in the coming week you will tend to focus on what is good, okay. And especially with the weekend or at the week beginning, you will be kind of focusing on what is good for you, what is working out for you, and whatever you have with yourself, okay. Rather than focusing on what you have lost or what you don't have, you will focus on what you have, okay. That is what I'm getting. And for some, you might also receive some kind of gifts, okay, like gifts coming your way, guys, okay, in the coming week. Let us see the next card. Star Mother, how can you mother yourself? Okay, So guys, in the coming week, you have to take care of yourself, okay? This is like, Mother Mary की energy आ रही है, take care of yourself, pamper yourself. See, you guys are kind of people, always jumping around and making people happy, bringing a smile on everyone's face, okay? So angels are telling you that it is very good work that you're doing, but at the same time, take care of yourself, pamper yourself the way you pamper others, okay? Have the pink light enough for yourself, so that you can spread those pink light around the world, okay? So pamper yourself, take time, take time for yourself, do some healing work, or else do some like manicure, pedicure, facial, or things like that will make you feel beautiful, pampered, and taken care of. Boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? Okay guys, so you guys are always so cute, jumping around everyone, like taking care of everyone, and people around you. So guys, what you have to do is take your boundaries, tell people that what are your boundaries. Don't let others take advantage of your innocence, of your lovely, fun loving nature, okay? If you are helping them without any selfish motive, it's just because what you are, okay? It's not because that they should take advantage of your innocence or your good heart, okay? So be careful with that, and just tell them, hey, this is it, not more than this, okay? So take care of your boundaries guys, and just be yourself, be happy, and be light the way you are, okay? Mother Mavu, okay, Mother Earth, you are called upon to help with environmentalism, okay? So guys, you, as I told you, you guys need a bit of healing, okay? Like a bit of pamper, okay? More than healing, I would say self-care, self-love, okay? Me time, okay? So you guys have to spend time with nature, okay? Because she's the one, Mother Earth, Mavu is the one who will help to heal you, okay? Heal your inner, you heal your soul, okay? Heal your soul, okay? And she's also telling you that plant some trees and spend some time with the earth, the planet earth, the nature, okay? Because even your energy is so fun loving, and so it's like wow wow energy, I would say, okay? It is just so awesome that even Mother Earth loves your energy, okay? So she's requesting you to give your energy to her, okay? Share your energy, okay? If you have a garden, okay, just wake up and go to the garden, go go in your garden and just talk to the plants, wave your hands and just give a smile, talk to them, okay? Because even they need your energy, okay? Even they can absorb and feel the energy, okay? So go in between nature, heal yourself, heal the Mother Earth as well, okay? Goddess Kali, ending and beginnings. The old must be released so that the new can enter. Okay, guys. So here Mother Kali is, for some, I'm feeling a strong connection with Goddess Durga or Ma Kali. She is just a manifestation of Goddess Durga. Ma Parvati. Okay. So there is a strong connection with Goddess Parvati, okay? Because Mother Earth and Ma Kali, okay, they both represent Goddess Parvati, okay? It's like they're the manifestations of Goddess Parvati, okay? So there is a strong connection with her, and she's kind of blessing you, telling you that I'm there with you, my child, I'm there with you, standing still, you are my child, I'm healing you, I'm just hearing I'm there with you, okay? And it's a very strong emotion, guys. Like what strongly feel ho raha hai, that she's telling you, hey, I'm with you, protecting you, healing you, okay? Nematona, sacred space. Create an altar or visit a power place to connect with the divine nature. Okay, see guys, I'm feeling that you guys, for you, you guys tend to be a very empathic people. Okay, like कभी कभी ना वो unhealthy empathy भी हो जाती है. Okay, see, if you see someone crying, even you will burst out crying seeing their sorrows. Okay, you are that empathic people. Okay, that you have so like इतना अच्छा दिल है ना कि पूछो मत. ओके, सो गाइस, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप अदर्स, यू नो take care of others. Okay, but at the same time, taking care of yourself is also very important. Okay, so you need also that, you give so much of energy. Okay, so much of energy to others. Even even you need to charge your batteries. Okay, charge your energies. Okay, so visit certain powerful places, any temples, or sacred space. Okay, or else you can just create your own altar and just sit in front of it and just relax, meditate, and seek your energy. Okay, like regain your energy. Okay, that will really help you guys. Okay, face your fears, release the power of fear. Okay, in the coming week, guys, okay, there might be something. Okay, like you might have to face your fears. Okay, certain fears might be regarding the fears of darkness, fears of people who are around you. Okay, might be fear of certain, um uh, I'm just getting that for some, nightmares. Okay, for some. Okay, from couple of days you are having certain nightmares. Okay, it is because of your fears, guys. Okay, and nothing else. Okay, that dreams doesn't mean anything else. It is just your fears that are reflecting in your dreams and are kind of creating those nightmares. Okay, so there is nothing to fear. Angels are telling you that you have to face that fear. Okay, you should not get afraid. Oh god, why am I getting this nightmare and what is happening with me? No, sweethearts. Okay, that is the lesson that you have to learn, and you have to face the fear. Okay, you have to overcome it, and you are that strong enough. Okay, that is why Goddess Kali is also assuring you that hey, that fear is going to end because she is blessing you with the power. Okay, that you require. Okay, so beautiful cards, guys, you have. I'm just overwhelmed with the cards that you guys have received, and your energy is just so awesome. Confrontation, pick your battles wisely. Okay, sweetheart, so um see, as I told you, there will be certain fears, and everything that is going on in the coming week. See, fear, it is just a 1% element. Okay, um so you have to see, for some, I also told that some of you are kind of facing some kind of nightmare. Okay, so angels are telling you that you need not worry because that is not even a thing. Okay, that is just your fear that you should overcome. Okay, that is not at all a thing that you should worry upon and scribble upon, that thing. Hey, why is it happening? Why am I, why such dreams are occurring to me? What is happening? What is it? What is it? Okay, don't force too much on that. It is not even required. Okay, that fear is not even required. Okay, that worries are not even required. Okay, so stop worrying and focus on what your life is, giving in front of you. Okay, oh god, Goddess Sita Devi. See, peace. See, as I told, I told you guys need meditation. You guys need that, self, recovery. Okay, that recovery. Fidelity in love, devotion to truth, penance and tolerance, power to improve upon oneself. Power to improve upon oneself, guys. Okay, so you guys need to focus on yourself. It's like I told you already, you guys are constantly spreading that peace, that love around around you. So god, goddess, archangels, angels, your guardian angels, everyone is telling the same thing. Hey, love yourself enough, take care of yourself, meditate, heal yourself. okay, because in the coming week that will be of very important, okay, like it will help you, okay. Bal Gopal. See, I told you, you guys are kind of very, in that innocence, then that chubby, like cute, bubbly energy, and even he, like Bal Gopal has the same energy, kind of sweet and cute and naughty at the same time, and kind of fun loving, See, you have that energy because pile 2, if you have chosen this pile, please do comment because I want to know you guys, okay. And yeah, see, perfection of parental love, protection of one's children, fertility and the well-being of newborns, devotion to Krishna and those closest to him. Okay, so guys, I'm kind of very much connecting to like your energy, okay, with this pile, and it's like really awesome. And for even for pile 1 had got the message that the childrens are protected, okay. So for even you pile, your childrens are protected, stop worrying. For some, I'm feeling that you guys are kind of worrying, okay. The third wave might come, what about my child, and how to keep them protected and safe in the current situation, current environment. Don't worry. See, excess worrying will lead to nowhere, okay. And see, I'm also getting that message, I'm also hearing this thing, okay, that take care of your inner self, okay, your inner child, okay. See, as I told you that you have certain childish and kind of cute energy, okay. See, and you also got this boundary card, okay. So there might be some people who will try to misuse your innocence, try to misuse your your childlike energy, okay. So what you have to do, you have to take this energy of Ma Kali, you have to be that strong enough and say like, hey, this is it, stop, isse zyada nahi, okay. So you have to create that boundary around you and keep yourself protected because you are a protected child of the divine, okay. Listen this thing, you are meant to listen this, okay. You are protected and you are the safest child of the divine, okay. So have that energy and be in the safe energy, and don't let the child in you just let go of because of people around you, okay. Maintain that childlike energy because you are meant to spread love in this world, okay. It is kind of one of your earth mission, I would say, okay. So have a lovely week ahead, guys. Goodbye. Lots of love to you. Bye bye. Hello pile 3, whoever has chosen this beautiful earring, okay. So let us see how your coming week is going to be. You pile 3, I just feel that you guys are very much protected, okay. Archangel Michael is very strongly with you, okay, healing you and protecting you, okay. Let us see how your coming week is going to be. 2 of Ariel, lovely. This it's important to have balanced working multiple, balance. It is oh god, it's important to have balance working multiple jobs or projects at once, making work fun, okay guys. So you guys in the current week, in the coming week, okay, you guys will be dealing with multiple tasks, okay, multiple tasks or multiple projects, and you are gonna do it with really really fun, okay. It's like you will manage things very 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 amazingly with kind of that fun nature, and that kind of आराम से संभाल लोगे, okay. You would be have many tasks or projects that is coming up, lining up for you, okay, and you will deal with it with ease, okay. This is what I'm getting. Perspective, Archangel Samuel, there's a better way, please pause, reflection and insight, Dare to be different. Okay, so in the coming week ahead, guys, you have to change your perception. Okay, जो भी perception, देखने का नजरिया बदलो. Okay, see there are chances that you will be so much occupied with work. Okay, so angels are telling you that hey, you need to just shift your energy. Okay, shift your point of view, the way you are thinking. जो भी कर रहे हो ना, थोड़ा अलग ढंग से करो, अलग तरीके से करो. It's like out of the box thing. Okay, so think out of the box in the coming week, guys. Okay, so the Lovers card, two major arcanas. The coming week is of really, really important, sweethearts. Okay, and the two. Okay, so yeah, let's see what message we are getting more. Okay, make choice from your heart. Deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. Wow. Okay, guys, so in the coming week, in the things regarding relationship would be of importance, and for some, those who are worrying about the commitments, for you guys, commitments are coming ahead of you. You might make a certain strong emotional decisions. Okay, and angels are telling you take decisions with your mind, your brain, but as well as listen to your heart. Don't ignore your heart. Okay, and there will be choices available to you. Okay, so make a appropriate decision. Okay, lots of options will be available to you. Okay, it's like you have to make a decision. And for couples, Archangel Raphael is assuring you that your relationship is healing. It's in the healing motion. Okay, like in the pink and green energy is surrounding your relationship. Okay, so things have been healed. Okay, you're it's kind of you're trying to the coming, I'm just getting a story from this. Okay, see, at the beginning of the week you will be kind of dealing with many things, and kind of juggling with it. Okay, but in the midweek you will be kind of, hey, it's okay if I have so much. You will kind of change your perspective. Okay, it's like अपना point of view change करेगा. You will make things work for you. Okay, work in your favor. Okay, and you will just combine all the work that you had and just be awesome yourself. Okay, you मतलब बहुत आराम से चीज़ें अच्छे से कर लोगे and अच्छे से संभाल पाओगे. Okay, and with this thing I'm also getting in relationships. Okay, there are some relationship issues that had happened in like recent past. Okay, and you are trying to balance things. Okay, and angels are telling you that you just have to change your point of view, your perception. Okay, that will lead you to the strong bond and emotional connection and commitment. Okay, let us see your further cards. The never unfold rose, cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. Okay, so so lovely angels. Okay, you guys are angels. Okay, so guys, angels are telling you that focus. She's enjoying. Oh God. Okay, she's distracting me. Where is she? Yeah. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let her be herself. Okay, so like never see, it's like something is coming in front of you, guys. Okay, might be a proposal is coming in front of you. Okay, so see, things are happening around you because it is happening around you, not to you. Okay, so आपको अपना energy नहीं change करना है, but अपना thought process change करना है. Okay, also make sure that you take care of yourself. If someone is saying something to you in the coming week, just don't take it don't let those talks or words reach your heart. Okay, mirror, who or what triggering you, or what is triggering you. Okay, so guys, in the coming week things might happen that might trigger your inner self. Okay, so this is what I'm getting with this card, like something might be triggered out. So, you have to change the, react नहीं करना है, okay? Sudden reaction नहीं देना है. Think before you do something, okay? So, like something might trigger out, okay? And you have to rectify that thing, that what is it that is triggering me and why it is triggering me, okay? Ask yourself and work upon it, okay? Break the chain, ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. Okay. Okay, so in the coming week, guys, some certain things might be. See, it's like you have to break the chain. Okay, see, might be might be there would be things regarding finances or regarding certain family patterns. Okay, it's see, I'm feeling that it's like you have certain things that is going on from your past, your ancestors, your whole lineage. Okay, it's like you are the chain breaker. Okay, see, this is where you have changed your point and you have made a decision. Okay, so it's like you are a chain breaker. Okay, you are someone who thinks out of the box, who thinks like things differently. Okay, and you have made things work for you yourself. Okay, because you have not continued the you are not taken the thoughts that your parents have. You have a different perspective towards life, different opinion towards life. Okay, you're kind of different. Okay, so that is the thing which triggers you out. Okay, and you need not worry about it, okay, because you have made a right decision. Okay, Goddess Star, boundaries. Okay, love yourself enough to say no to others. Demand on your time and energy. Okay, guys, so here what Goddess Star is telling you that, hey, keep a check on everyone. Okay, I mean the people around you, keep a check on people around you. There are someone who might trigger something purposely. Okay, जो purposely कुछ trigger कर दे. Okay, and don't motivate such energies. Okay, just let it go. Okay, let go of such things. Past is a past. Okay, and future is future, but present will be present. Future will be future, but present is present. Okay, so focus on your present rather than worrying about your past and dreaming about your future. Focus on your present, on and learn to say no to others. Okay, there is no need of always agreeing with everyone who is around you. Just say no to them. Okay, like if you feel like. Okay, and just love yourself. Got a green Tara. Start delegating. Ask others, including me, Goddess Tara, to help you instead of trying to do everything by yourself. Okay, so as you guys, two of Ariel has represented that thing, like you're kind of multitasking kind of thing. Okay, balancing each and everything. Change your perspective and delegate the things. Okay, see, you need not do everything on your own. Okay, because that might stress you out and might trigger something within you. Okay, so delegate your work, so that you will spend time with yourself and gain that energy that you require. Illusion, embrace the truth. Okay, see, and I'm just reflecting. Reflect yourself, guys. Spend time with yourself. See, even this, it's like reflecting, triggering. Okay, so realize yourself. Okay, it's like you're kind of hiding things from others, from yourself. Okay, you're kind of hiding things from yourself and kind of खुद से नजरें नहीं मिला पा रहे हो, kind of thing. I'm just getting that. Okay, so don't be in that energy. Accept yourself, no matter how you are, no matter what you look, no matter what thoughts you have. Accept yourself. जब खुद से प्यार करना नहीं सीखोगे तो दूसरों से प्यार कैसे करोगे? वो कमिटमेंट कैसे दे पाओगे अगर खुद से ही वो कमिटमेंट है नहीं? Okay, so love yourself. Love yourself, accept yourself. I'm just hearing accept, accept, accept. Okay, accept yourself, guys, because you are beautiful. You are beautiful inside, outside. Okay, accept yourself. It is very important. Cheer up, live in the moment. How sweet the angels are. See, angels are telling you that, hey, cheer up. For some, I'm also feeling that dance is your hobby, but you're not focusing on it. Or, dancing or singing, some kind of painting or creativity, you're kind of not focusing on it and kind of, letting yourself down and, not accepting yourself and the situation that is around you. Angels are telling you that, hey, accept, change your point of view, accept the situation that is around you, and that will lead you to make an appropriate decision. Okay, and spend time with your hobby, whatever it is, dancing, singing or painting. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, spend time with your with your hobbies and cheer yourself up. You can also listen songs that will cheer you up. Okay, if you're feeling low, don't listen those songs that will the sad songs. Okay, that will drain your energy. Okay, make you cry even more. Okay, with the grief and sorrow that you have. Rather than that, listen to the songs that will motivate you, help you to move ahead. Okay, Lord Bhadrakali. Worldly power, earthly enjoyment, fearless in battle, access to feminine powers and virtues. Okay, so guys, in the coming week, okay, you are being provided with the energy, like, take care of yourself. That is what I'm getting with this card. Okay, just take care of yourself. Okay, you have that power within yourself. You accept yourself. Why are you not ready to accept yourself? Okay, this is not for everyone, but for majority. Okay, majority of people are kind of not accepting yourself. Accept yourself. Okay, and be that fearless one. Okay, just be yourself. Just see, she's so brave and she's so bold. Just be that self. You are that bold and kind of very mature and very bold one. Okay, so just be that self. Lord Varuna. Navigation of seas, success in fishing, forgiveness for transgressions, increase in love between man and woman. How cute is this? The Lovers card also represented, the commitments and the healing in relationship. Okay, so even Lord Vamana is assuring you that your healing, and I also, for this while, I also told you that your relationship is going to heal, and pink and green light is surrounding your relationship. Okay, I can feel that energy. Okay, so that energy is around you guys. Okay, and the overall week is going to be really, really lovely. Okay, just take care of yourself and just be yourself. Don't let others trigger whatever is whatever weak things you have. Okay, just stay strong. Okay, because the angels are there with you and you gonna really balance things very appropriately. Okay, so take care of yourself, guys. Have a lovely week ahead and lots of love from me. Thank you so much for constantly being there with me, supporting me, and thank you for everything, guys. And just be yourself, love yourself. Okay, accept yourself and move ahead. Okay, so with lots of love, guys. Bye bye, have a great week ahead, and thank you for supporting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you soon, guys. I will come up with many more other videos and pick up timeless picker card reading. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye, lovely souls.